Disclosure, I use ChatGPT to give me ideas about the topic I want to discuss, and I strictly revise based on my own understanding, and I use Grammarly to check my flows of sentence correctly.
Good morning, sir. My name is Christian Jocado of NCP1, and I'm gonna start now. As a first year computer engineering student, I will be passionate about tackling a pressuring issue related to environmental sustainability and energy consumption. The problem I will focus on is the excessive waste of energy in everyday electronics and the rising carbon footprint due to inefficient power usage. I would propose developing a smart adaptive power management system that optimizes energy usage in electronic devices. For example, when you charge your device, it automatically detects when will your device stop charging in the middle of the night because you sleep. That helps um, the power consumption of devices in real time. Also, the system will be a AI powered software layer integrated into the hardware that learns the user behavior and adjusts the power consumption of devices in real time. So the AI detects what your charging times are and learns it and adapts so that the AI, for example, when you charge in like middle of the night, it learns that you're asleep, then it will stop in the middle of the night to reduce the power consumption. um, it will reduce power to unnecessary components and dynamically optimize device performance without compromising user experience. The impact in the society would most likely be number one, energy efficient. The immediate impact would be a reduction in wasted energy, leading to lower energy bills for individuals and business alike. As I mentioned before, the users will probably win situation because their mobile devices or electronic devices or laptop devices now adapts and learns to the charging times of the user and stops charging for a while to save energy. Number two is longer device lifespan. Reducing power usage during idle times also reduces wear and tear on hardware components, potentially extending the lifespan devices, which helps us decrease e-waste. So the the usage of this is that we get to use our devices more efficiently, and it will be take longer to years to break because of this. And lastly, environmental sustainability. By adjusting unnecessary energy use, the system will help reduce the carbon footprint associated with the electronic devices. And lastly, as for the future, I envision this innovation leading to a future where electronic devices are not just powerful but also energy conscious, learning from user behavior to create a highly efficient and sustainable ecosystem. Thank you, sir. That's all for today.